All right, today I'm going to be showing you how to use a bottle opener. Right here I have a bottle opener and I have a bottle. This is a bottle where you cannot just simply twist off the top to access the contents of it. You actually have to use a bottle opener. I'm going to show you how to use this. I have Virgil's root beer, which is made with cane sugar, naturally flavored, bold taste, and handcrafted, which I'm going to be opening. All right, so I have the bottle opener right here. And what I'm going to do is, if you see this right here, at the bottom, it is made for opening up a bottle of wine. But at the top, there's actually a part right here where it's used for opening the bottle of, right here, root beer or whatever you have. And so what you do is you see that there's a hook, or not a hook, but there's an edge right here, and there is an oval shape, which is kind of like a semicircle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, and you see where this edge is right here. Now, you have this option on can openers, different types of things. What you have to do is you have to put the edge underneath the cap. And so I'm going to get in closer, no cap, so you can see this process. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it underneath right here, let it hook up, and the top of this is actually going to press down. So what's going to happen is it's going to lift it up on this side, bend it to where I can access the contents. So I'm going to go ahead and take this, put it underneath right there. I'll show you how my hand is. Let me zoom out a little bit so you can see this a little bit better. Process. I'm going to take this, line this up, put it underneath. Make sure that it catches on. Push it forward, but not just gently. Keep the bottle down flat, and I'm going to lift up. You hear that? Picks it up, and it actually pulls the top off. And that is how you use a bottle opener. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.